Gary Taft, Realtor, Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties, and I'm here to talk about my new listing, 4972 Mountaintop Road in Fairmont Hot Springs. This is a beautiful home, stunning views, excellent location. Let's go check it out. So we're down at the bottom of the driveway here and looking up at the home, and you can see right here all the glass, the windows, the deck, and it's just such an amazing view. Really nice location in Fairmont, up at the top of Mountaintop Road. Close to the services and the stores in Fairmont, but away from the highway, and a really nice quiet location. All right, so here we are at the top of the driveway, and we're going to enter into the main door here and check out the garage, the upper level, and the entire house. All right, so here we are at the lower level of the house. We've got a nice open concept family room, flex rec room space, really cozy. You can see the beautiful staircase right here, which leads to the main living area upstairs. And you've got a really nice setup here, lots of light. Basically, this is the walkout basement, lower level of the home. And let's go pop into the garage really quick. It's a beautiful garage. Huge garage space, really nice in here, nicely organized, beautiful, very clean. This is a great space. So as you can see, nice pool table here. Let's continue on down the hallway and just show you the full bedrooms and utility down on this level here. So here's the mechanical room. We've got a propane-fired in-floor heat system, and we've got an electric forced air with air conditioner. And we're just going to continue on here. So as we go down the hallway, we've got a really nice bedroom here. This is a good size. And all of these are facing west, so they get lots of sun. And as we continue on, a second bedroom right over here. And then opposite these bedrooms, we have a full bathroom down here. Tub and shower. Into the hallway, we've got a nice little storage room here, kind of cold cellar area where we can store lots of stuff. Okay, let's head on upstairs. Let's come into the top of the stairs. This is one of my favorite homes for this layout. There's a soaring vaulted ceiling with these beautiful logs, very open concept, tons of natural light, a beautiful kitchen. So let's just go around this space and absorb it all. And being on top of Mountaintop Road, stunning views to the west. You're literally on the top of the hill. You can see all the way down to the lower sections of Fairmont. Beautiful views of the Purcell mountain range. The space with so many windows, including some skylights, gas-fired fireplace, really nice amount of wood. It's lots of natural light and incredible views, but with that mountain charm and that kind of alpine style with the wood. It's a beautiful mixture. So before we check out the kitchen, I just want to show you this really awesome bonus sunroom, extra living room space here. Make an awesome home office, and this is your access out onto the deck. Tons of deck space, and got a really cool bar set up in this room over here. It's just wall-to-wall windows, and you've got a lot of privacy right now. It's undeveloped land. It's unlikely to be developed, kind of a hillside behind you, and it's a really park-like setting in the backyard, and you just feel like you're in the trees and in the mountains. It's a beautiful setting. Let's get a sense of the views being out on the deck here. So again, you've just got a really nice deck that goes along the front of the living room with these unobstructed views. Be able to soak in those sunsets, and we'll see it in the master bedroom, but there's also access off the master bedroom to this deck. And again, you just up on the mountaintop. So yeah, we're gonna check out this kitchen. So beautiful island, some really nice granite countertops, beautiful appliances, and just all that natural light, so bright and so open. A lot of different space for entertaining, for relaxing. Lots of room for the dining room table here. Let's just go pop outside in the backyard. So this backyard. It's like a private little park back here, and really beautiful in the summertime. We've got a small shed in the back as well for some extra storage, and overall just a really nice location. So over here we've got a little hallway, and we have a half bath, a guest bathroom with the laundry. So a nice practical layout for that. All right, and here is the master bedroom. So a really nice master bedroom off of the living room. It's got its own sitting area here, double-sided propane fireplace. Makes it nice and cozy. And again, lots of windows, lots of natural light. As mentioned, that door that leads out onto the deck. So really nice setup. And then this leads into a beautiful ensuite. So massive ensuite, huge amount of space here. You've got the walk-in closet, a soaker tub, and then you've got a really beautiful steam shower here. Overall, this is just a really nice ensuite. Lots of space. Not going to bump into each other in this one, so this home has a lot of really great features, great amount of square footage and storage space, and it would cost a lot of money to build these days with current construction costs. And I believe with the asking price right now, you couldn't replace the home for this much money, and it offers such an amazing opportunity, whether it's for full-time living, as a retirement home, or as a second home, or even as an income generator. A lot of options with this one. So check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor to book your own private viewing in person. Thank you very much.